Folks, today I'm presenting another spacious 2-bedroom apartment from Nakuru. Niko Kiamunyi leo. Recently I brought another one here from Imani Mall and folks went bananas about it. It is full. I just said I'm looking for 3 people. I got those 3 people. Here is another spacious apartment in Kiamunyi. Inaitwa Bija Apartments and it was built, I saw this one in Kijengo actually. It was built by Omusebe Construction Limited. So karibuni ndani. So maybe before we do that, okay, let's start with the balcony here. Okay, here we have Freddy's. Mama hapo tena, let them see, their front balcony vile inatoshana. See where Freddy is kule? Na mali mimi niko, hii yote is your front balcony. There is a resident ambaye ashaingia hapa already kule juu kwake. Unajua amefanya nini hapa? On this grill, they ameka ile inaitwaje? Artificial, flowers hapa hivi. Okay? On this grill hapa. Okay? Inakaa fiti sana. Ako hapo juu kabisa. Alright, so welcome inside sasa. Here we are. We have got a spacious lounge here and good natural light coming into the space. TV naona imewekwa hii pande aerial. Okay? But the lounge, honestly guys, this one pia inachukua 7-seat couch and a dining table on the side. Okay? It is a seriously huge lounge. All right, so the kitchen is right here on this side. So it's kind of an open kitchen, okay? So here we are, and single sink, not double sink, this one. And then cabinetry, ziko hii pande hapo. Your cooker, inasimama hapa. And then there's another socket here, so maybe your fridge can stand, on this side here. So, or even this side, your fridge can also stand on this side hapa. So it is not the most, spacious kitchen, but it is not small either, just medium to hapa, okay? Even the cabinetry, si mingi vile, just, I don't know, usikuwe na mavitu mingi sana za kustore in the cabinetries, if you ask me, because ni zile tu overhead, na zingine ziko hapa chini ya sink. Just that, okay? But I appreciate the kitchen tiles, zimeenda almost juu, waleta tuka like 1 feet off the ceiling, okay? Na hiyo ni fiti. Aya, by the magical, those people who say, na Kiamunyi sasa, Kiamunyi kuna shida ya maji, listen to the pressure. Nimekuachia peke yako tu sikia. There are folks who assume kwamba ukikaa Kiamunyi utaenda kutafuta maji na mitungi. You will never buy mitungi, my friends. Okay? Hiyo mambo ilipitwa na wakati. Maji iko. Okay? And you have seen that already. Aya. Nikikuja hivi nje, we have got now the rear balcony. Simetoka kuonyesha the front balcony. Now, I love this balcony because look at the pole. It has got amazing views. Kutoka hapa hivi, the highway is just there. So even for those who say, EZRA na ikue karibu na barabara, this is that apartment. 25,000 Kenya shillings and look, gari zinapita tu pale. Hapo unachomoka tu nje hivi, hata unaweza pigia Wasili umwambie ni ngoja kwa barabara. Ama anyway, ni vizuri tu Wasili ya kukujia home, si ndio? Across there is a school pale, Great Rift School. Iko tu pale across. Great Rift School. So wale mko na school going children, shule ndo hii. And there are many other schools in Kiamunyi for that matter. But the views from this spot here, this rear balcony, superb. Honestly, this is amazing. Hii ndo mandhari yangu sasa. Mimi if you ask me, hii ndo mandhari yangu. City view. All right, alafu kuna hanging lines hapa, so you'll do yours, una hang manguo zako this side. Huku hawana rooftop, so hanging lines lazima zikoe hapo. Haya, so mpaka hapo, how do you sit? Mpaka hapo, how do you sit? Haya, so tukikuja hivi, I go to this private common washroom. And I call it private, the toilet. Hapo na hapo Msebe walifanya kazi poa, because like that door of the loo is not, directly visible from the lounge. Lazima ufike hapa, upige hii kona hivi, ndo uende hapa. Unaona? So this one was well thought out. So this is the toilet, and then the shower iko hapa. Separate rooms, the shower is pretty spacious, hapa. Unaona hii ni shower peke yake. Guys, you have seen apartments ambao unapewa tu this cube peke yake. Just this cube, na ndio bado kuna washroom na kuna toilet seat. Okay? So separate bathroom spacious na toilet pia iko spacious. Now welcome to the guest bedroom. Yeah, it is well lit. Look at that. I mean natural light huko ndani. very well lit. This side bado hii plot haijajengwa, so nothing is blocking natural light kutoka ile pande. It is really well lit, and the way they have been arranged, this bedroom gets to enjoy more sunset. That bedroom, the primary bedroom, gets to enjoy more sunrise. But still both of them are well lit. Now, this is 10 feet wide. Yeah, 10 feet wide, meaning 2 4x6. 4x6 mbili zinaweza pangwa hivi. But if you don't have, a crowd in your house, ni bed tu moja unaweka, honestly, just imagine you have got ample room in the bedrooms hapa. This particular bedroom. A very ample room, ample wardrobes again. On this side, look at that. There's like the his and hers arrangement, and I love these, partitioning hapa katikati. At least mtu unaweza kupanga nguo zako hapo, to fold your clothes. Look at that, and even the MDF ambao walichagua, it is not the common brown, at least they went for something, different. Sindio? Yeah, so there we have it. And yeah, it is spacious. 2 4x6 beds zinatosha hapo ndani. Wacha nikupeleke sasa to the primary bedroom, which is actually private on this end hapa. Nimetoka hivyo nikaingia hapa. You can lock this door. Hivyo, alright? So once you enter, immediately you meet the washroom of the master bedroom. Here it is. So toilets sit at the center, and then on the far end you have the bath area. So they didn't do the sliding or the curtain rod. Maybe that is something you can add, sindio, which is actually possible. Inaanzia tu hapa so that the toilet seat iko hapo nje kidogo, but it is a spacious room actually. Alright, so the pedestal sink is hidden right here on this corner. So kikuja hapa sasa, this is massive. This is a massive master bedroom. So if you have a huge bed, this is just what should suit you. It is 13 feet on that end, 13, and 10 feet this side. But typically it's like 13 feet by 13 feet. The other feet on this end is imechukuliwa na wardrobes. Okay, so 13 feet, imagine. So you can fit 2 6x6 beds hapa ndani heavy. It is a huge master bedroom. And of course, I believe iko na his and hers for the wardrobes hapo. Okay, and like I told you guys, this one gets to enjoy more sunrises. Now, the beauty of this ni kwamba this area is not dense, around here. It is not dense. In fact, mbele ya hii, there's another apartment, but there's like, I don't know, 10, 15 meters apart, kitu kama hiyo. So kuna space for sunlight, to come through, which is good. Now, for those who have watched me talk about Omusebe Construction Limited, this is their work. Munaonaje kazi yao? You can rate it in the comment section. You can just drop a comment vile Omusebe Construction wamefanya kazi yao hapa. So there is internet, by the way. So ukikuja tu, the supplier atakuja akwekea your favorite package, whether ni 5 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 15 Mbps, you'll just choose. Yeah? Good. At least I've seen an apartment being built from scratch. Mpaka nikaona the final product of it. And this is it. It is functional, it's practical, it is spacious, and there is ample parking huko chini. Kuna nyumba tu 10 peke yake hapa, 8, just 8 apartments, and there is ample parking huku. Maji iko kwa zile tanks nimekuonyesha ikiflow. Kuna CCTV, kuna security lights at the gate, there's a caretaker, it's a proper functional apartment in Kiamunyi Nakuru. So mpaka hapo, see you in the next one. 25,000 Kenya shillings. Mwenye ataangukia zimebaki tu 3. Tena nataka watu 3. Mwenye ataangukia 3. Ni hivyo, tumefunga hiyo chapter tena. See you in the next one.